Hello.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Just wanted y'all to see, this is the brown sugar cold brew cream from Dunkin' Donuts. The brown sugar cold brew cream. I got it with extra sugar because I know me, and I know that cold brews are a little bit stronger than regular coffee. So I was just gonna taste this. I keep hearing about it. I'm so glad Dunkin' Donuts did not go to paper straws. If they would have went to paper straws, I would have got my receipt every time, and I would do a survey every single day until they change it. I understand what they're trying to do with paper straws, but they need to come up with a better concept. So I got the cold brew brown sugar cream. What the heck is it? Brown sugar cold brew cream. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Go on DunkinDonuts.com. It is really good. I did get cream and sugar and extra sugar. It's really good. And I had an offer on my Dunkin' app for $3 any medium cold brew. So it was only $3. It was only $3. And it's good. I will definitely get it again. It's really good. I was going to wait till Friday to get it, but I went ahead and got it today. Because I think on the app it said something about till July 19th or something. They was $3. And I can't always keep up with these apps, these coupons. Use them by this day, use them by this day. Today's the 13th. It worked. That's it. So usually I like to treat myself on Fridays. To coffee outside the house. I normally make my coffee at home, but a lot of times on either Fridays or sometimes nail day, like Thursdays, on the days I go get my nails done, there's a Dunkin' Donuts right by the place where I go get my nails done, and I'll treat myself to like a nice iced coffee, because I'm normally a hot coffee chick, but I will do an iced coffee like on a Friday or as a treat or something like that. But today's Wednesday. Wow. This is like a 16-car pileup. Lord have mercy. Lord, praise be to God, I missed that. Seriously, 16 cars lined up on the side. All of them hit each other. On I-95. Yeah, so today's Wednesday. I'll just treat myself today instead of Friday. I usually have hot coffee all week, especially on the weekends. And then like one day, I will do iced coffee. So if you were thinking about it, wanted to try it, or wondering about it, the brown sugar cold brew cream iced coffee, if I'm saying that correctly, it's really good. Definitely a treat. I can definitely taste the brown sugar. It's definitely a treat, and it's definitely stronger than regular coffee. So I just wanted to share that with y'all. Now back to our regularly scheduled program. All right, y'all, I'm just gonna play y'all a clip of this that somebody sent me, because I don't really know what YouTube's gonna do about it. I don't really know what in the bejesus this is. Hopefully it will play for y'all.
Penis and put it in my mouth, and then he came again and he slept with me last week, and I told the pastor that I need deliverance again, and since then my private part has been itching. It's been itching? Yes.
I'm gonna stop it right there, because like I said, I don't, this lady, you know, social media is the devil. Let me just say that. Social media is the devil. And I know that from the stuff that I see on social media. This is ridiculous. So she in church getting prayer, because a demon comes to sleep with her every night. She itching, burning, I don't know, darn it. She doing all this stuff. I don't even know what I told the beautiful young lady that sent me that to do a video. I said, honey, I don't even know what type of video to do. I don't even know what to say. First of all, I don't even know what y'all want me to say about that. I can't even play the whole thing. But she's saying that y'all can go look for it, this demon. And then he prays for her. He prays for her, cast out the demon. And she in church acting like she's having relations with the demon while he praying for her. He's spraying her with something, saying the demon is coming out. There you go. The demon is being removed from her. The demon is cast out. I don't even really know what I'm supposed to say to y'all. I don't know what I'm supposed to say. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Here's what I will say. I am a firm believer that spirits, demons, certain things are real. I am a firm believer that you can invite things into your life. People can bring things into your life. You can do things. I don't know about what she's talking about having relations with him and stuff like that. To me, that's something like out of the movies or something. I don't know. All I can say is maybe something going on with the lady. She, maybe her mental state's messed up. Maybe she's having dreams. Maybe they're dreams that... Hold on, y'all. All right, y'all. So I'm sorry. I don't even know where I left off at. But I think what I was saying was there are people that have... Maybe she's dreaming and she feels like the dreams are real. Maybe she's being like assaulted in her dreams. These type of videos I don't normally do because you have to be careful. I don't want to offend anyone's religion, or anyone that has been through this. So this is for entertainment purposes only. Once again, this video is for entertainment purposes only, okay? Okay. If you don't understand that, click off. Click off. I don't know what's going on with this lady. I know I'm not going to her church. I know I'm not going to where she at. I know I don't want her to be my co-worker. And I know I don't want her to be my friend, okay? Because I don't know what's going on, all right? I mean, a lot of us deal with a lot of things. A lot of us can deal with spirits, different things that come along. Energy and spirits is real. You know what I'm saying? But it could be something generational down if you believe in that stuff as to why something is bothering her. It could be something that she did. Like she opened a portal. She opened a doorway to something. She could have fooled around with some type of hoodoo, voodoo, or whatever, and it could be backfiring on her because that happens too. Some people don't believe in that stuff. Let me tell y'all something. I believe in everything. Everybody's belief in religion is real. Everybody's belief in religion is real. Hoodoo is real. Voodoo is real. All of it's witchcraft. All of it's real. Pentecostal, Baptist, whatever. Okay? There are spirits out here. There are denominations out here. There are things that go on. I have to believe that because otherwise, how do you explain somebody that just walks into a place and maybe shoots up a place or does something to somebody? Sometimes they will say that something told them to do it or something was talking to them. We can probably say sometimes, they just crazy, they lost their mind. But no, there's something not going on right. If you believe in the Bible, it tells you that we are dealing with spirits. We are dealing with principalities. We are battling. There's angels and then there's spirits out here. And I just believe that. So I don't really know what she's dealing with. If I was at that church, honey, when she finished her testimony and they was praying for her, I would have been in my car. Because whatever he pulled out of you, I don't need it swimming around the church trying to find the next person to jump into or enter. So I'm out. Like, I'm in my car. I'm in my car. By the time I heard her finish what she said, I'm in my car. Bing, I'm gone. I'm gone, and they ain't got to worry about me coming back, being a member, or none of that. None of that stuff, because it's not gonna happen. Yeah. If this is real, because social media is a trip. If this is real, I feel bad for her. I feel bad that she's going through this. if it's real, but she need help. And if it's real, she need to make sure that pastor knows what he's doing that's casting out that stuff, because not everybody that cry holy is holy. If y'all don't know what that means, look it up. But I ordered 3 drinks. Why should they give me the drinks with no cup holder? What I'm supposed to do with 3 drinks with no cup holder? This checkers for y'all. Watch now. She gonna try to pass me these 3 drinks. If she don't, I'll be surprised. It's just common sense. I'm driving. Nobody else in the car. 3 drinks. Let's pray it's in a cup holder. I was gonna say a truck holder. We're gonna see. Y'all know I wrote checkers off for like 6 months because of the idiocy, if that's a word, that they do. So we're gonna see. It's been a long time since I've been to checkers. And now you gotta watch them when they have your card. Watch them and make sure they ain't swiping your card twice, stealing your card numbers. I normally don't use my card in small restaurants like this or at Checkers, but I don't have no cash on me. Gotta move up a little bit so I can see that register. And I do my surveys. I do my surveys. Because when I'm at work, I provide the service that's required of me. So I definitely do my surveys. But yeah, she needs to make sure that the person casting out the demon is fit for that. And I mean, she probably thinks he is. That's her pastor. But when you're going through something like that, or you have spirits, or you need a cleansing, or you need prayer, just make sure the person that's doing it for you is equipped for that. Because if not, I feel like that can go left as well. So I just feel like she need to make sure. I don't know what he was spraying on her. I don't know if this is that type of church. He had to be prepared. It could have just been holy water. He could have just been spraying holy water on her, because he was spraying something on her. And she was acting out. When I say acting out, she was acting like the demon was there. She was acting out like it was there. So, oh, she gave me a cup holder, y'all. Okay. Child, they must have had a staff meeting. Oh, they must have had a staff meeting. She said 29, but it was 26. And I thought that the drive-through said 26. I was finna question her, but I was waiting for the receipt. But it is 26. Checkers done got expensive too. So yeah, not to really hold y'all, but that is the craziest thing that I have ever seen. I don't believe, y'all know me, I don't believe a lot of the stuff that people put on social media. I mean, somebody recorded that, I guess, in church or something, so it has to be real. I guess it has to be real. But me, I'm not with it. I'm out. I'm out the door. I'm going to my car, and I'm not coming back to that church until y'all put one of them termite tents over it and really cleanse the church and free the church and clean the church. And then I might not come back. I'm just telling y'all how I am. I just might not come back. I'm gonna go home and take my own bath and my own holy oil and water, because no, y'all let me know what y'all think, because that's a no for me.